Two popular email marketing platforms. One big showdown. Which one truly empowers your campaigns? On one side, the trusted AWeber with its classic feature set. On the other, Kit with its fresh approach to automation. Let's leave the hype behind and compare what actually matters. We'll rate each on critical categories, so you'll know exactly which one stands tall when the scores are in. And the winner might just surprise you. Okay, so if you're a list person like me, here's how we'll stack these two up. We're looking at user experience, automation, price, design and customization, audience management, integrations, marketing features, and customer support. Let's jump right in. First up, user experience. So with AWeber, you get this classic simple dashboard. It definitely does the basics. But honestly, the interface feels a little stuck in the past. Navigating advanced stuff? Not super intuitive, and you'll probably find yourself Googling more than you'd like. Switching over to Kit, though, it's like night and day. Kit's got this ultra-modern, super intuitive UI, obviously designed for creators and digital entrepreneurs. Think, easy list management, clean design, nothing feels out of place. If you're all about smooth, creator-first workflow, Kit is hard to beat here. Kit takes this round, no question. All right, let's talk automation. AWeber covers the basics, like autoresponders. But yeah, the triggers? Kinda limited. And some of the workflow tools are honestly just, well, outdated. There's no real support for webhooks or fancy stuff, so if you're into deep customization, you'll probably feel restricted. Now Kit, oh, and here's something cool. You get this powerful automation builder that uses simple if this, then that logic. Super easy to understand, but if you're a nerd for segmenting, you can go pretty deep. The only caveat? Some of those advanced tools might take a sec to set up, but honestly, worth it. Kit's got automation locked down. On to price, and this is where things get interesting. AWeber gives you a free plan up to 500 subscribers, which sounds great. But here's the thing. If someone's on more than one list, you actually get billed for them multiple times. Yeah, it feels a bit sneaky, and the costs add up quick as your list grows. Kit, on the flip side, offers a free plan for up to 10,000 subscribers. That's wild. And get this, you only pay for each subscriber once. Seriously, no double dipping on fees. As your audience blows up, Kit just scales better. If you're cost-conscious, Kit is absolutely the way to go. Oh, quick fun fact. Did you know Kit only counts each subscriber once, no matter how many lists or tags you add them to? No more double billing for the same person. That's honestly a huge deal if your audience is growing fast. Now, let's hit design and customization. AWeber offers a drag-and-drop builder, pretty standard. There's also a plain text and HTML editor if you want to go hands-on, but honestly, the template selection's not going to wow you. It does the job, but it's, a little plain. Kit, though. Kit brings these beautiful responsive templates and even lets you mess around with custom CSS if you're into that sort of thing. You can really flex your creative muscle here, and campaign setup feels a lot more fun. So for design lovers, Kit totally wins. Audience management time. AWeber sticks to the basics. You get your lists and some simple segmenting, but managing more complex lists starts to get, well, confusing. And don't forget, you might get billed twice for the same email if it's in two lists. Meanwhile, Kit flips the script. You manage just one master list and unlimited segments. You can tag, organize, and never worry about duplicates or surprise charges. The only catch? If you really want fancy advanced workflows, your tagging game has to be on point. Still, for 99% of us, Kit's method just feels so much cleaner. Next up, integrations. Now, this is where AWeber flexes a bit. They're sitting on top of 797 plus integrations, which is huge. You name it, there's probably a plugin for it. A couple of these are kind of legacy or, maybe not exactly useful, but still, the variety is there. Kit, by contrast, offers a little over 320 integrations, mainly focused on creator apps and platforms. It's a smaller library, but really targeted. For raw numbers and flexibility, I gotta hand it to AWeber on integrations. Let's move to marketing features. So with AWeber, you do get sign-up forms and a pretty straightforward landing page builder. Nothing fancy, and honestly, interactivity is pretty limited. There's also no option for transactional emails. Kit, on the other hand, takes it several steps further. You get a sophisticated website builder, advanced forms, and plenty of data collection and engagement tools. If you're already connecting with other creators or apps, Kit's got these sweet integrations that really pull it all together. Heads up though, some of the coolest stuff is locked behind higher pricing tiers. Still, Kit's the more modern package here. Last category, customer support. AWeber really shines here, offering live chat, phone, and email support. Plus, you can get a dedicated account manager if you want. They'll even migrate your email lists for free. The downside is, if you're on the free plan, things might move a bit slow. Kit's support is all digital, fast and friendly email and chat, and if you're new to their platform, their onboarding is super helpful, especially if you're a creator. There's no phone support and personalized migration is a bit limited though. If you want that high-touch customer care, AWeber's a safe bet. So, putting it all together, the big picture really starts to form. Kit pulls ahead in most categories: user experience, automation, pricing, design, audience management, and marketing features. But hey, if tons of integrations and top-tier support are your thing, AWeber still holds its own. Here's my honest take. If you're a creator or anyone who just wants modern automation, smart audience management, and doesn't want to deal with weird pricing, Kit is the way to go. But if you're after simple, budget-friendly email marketing and need every integration under the sun, you'll probably be happiest with AWeber. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.